Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I am Ayush and in this video we are going to discuss a new topic which is logical operators. So let's get started. So in our last video, as you can see, we have discussed about the comparison operators. So comparison operators by doing equal to or not equal to or greater than, less than and so on. Now in this video we are going to discuss about logical operators. The work they do is the same wherein we compare two parameters but in a logical perspective. So now you may ask me that what is a logical perspective? So let's take an example wherein true, and you know true has the value of 1 and false has the value of 0. So here true and false. True and false means that you can take an example of multiplication, not directly the multiplication, but you can take a perspective of multiplication. So here true and false means that 1 and 0. So true has the value of 1 and false has the value of 0. So this should result me 1 into 0, 1 times 0 is 0. So here it should result as 0. Let's run it. We are going to get false, and false we know as it's 0. So now this, like, you have a thing which is true and one thing which is false. You can see here this is true and false. So true and false will lead to false. So here let's write true and true, which means that 1 and 1, which is equals to 1. So our answer should be true. So let's run it. Yes, our answer is true. Now let's convert true and false. So here it is 1. Here it is, let's interchange this, false and true. Here we have taken example of false and true, and here 1, and there should be 0 and 1. So 0 times 1 is 0. So our answer should be false. Run it. Yes, our answer is false. So this we are going to do in a logical perspective. We are comparing two values in a logical perspective. The function is called as ANDing and ORing. This seems a little bit tricky, but if you back the video and watch it twice and thrice, you'll master this concept. Okay, so let's do an example of OR. Here let's write FA. Let's see, false or true. So this should return me as 0 and 1. So OR means any one value is true, so you are good to go. So this should result me as 1. Run it. Yes, 1 is true. Next, if we copy this, not copy, let's write true or false, and let's write 1 and 0. This should result me as 1 because in this 1 true is there. So here what if we write false or false? So here you can give it as 1 and 1 or, let's change this to or, is 1 or, no, here let's change this 1 into 0. 0 or 0 equals to 0. Run it. Yes, 0 means false. So this is all about OR. So now let's do something practical. Now we are going to do the comparison operators and logical operators together. So here let me open the parentheses and write is 6 greater than 2 and is 2 equal to 5. So now, as you know, in AND, the both cases must be true, so it will result as true. If any one is false, totally is false. So if I change this and let's see, is 6 is greater than 2? Yes, it's true. And is 2 is equal to 5? No, wrong. So here it will go true and false. So our answer must be false. Run it. Yes, our answer is false. So now let's do a mini challenge. Let me add a cell here, and here let me write is 6. Let me open this. And is 6 greater than 2, or is 2 equal to 5? So now next question is 2 is 3 greater than 2, and is 5 equal to 5, and is 3 equal to 9? Go ahead guys and pause this video and find the answers of these both answers, and I'll meet you after the challenge. Alright, let's check is everything is correct or not. So here let's write, is 6 greater than 2? Yes, it's true. And is 2 equals to 5? No, false. So here true and false, and in our case either it will be true or false. If it is one is true, so we are good to go. So here our answer should be true. Yes, it's true. Here our answer, let's check what it is. 3 is 3 greater than 2? Yes, it's true. And let's change this to or. And here if it is 5 equals to 5? Yes, it's true. And is 3 equals to 9? No, it's false. False. So in the AND case, everything must be true in order to it become true. If any one is false, the totally thing will go false. So this is true, true, and a false. So answer must be false. And as you can see, false. It's false. So that is all for today. If you do not understand any part of this video, you can go rewind the video back and understand it in a very clear concept. And if you don't understand, comment me in the comment box, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.